This is match the following type of question. We have been given here two lists. List 1 includes the elements. List 2 contains the concerned components. If you see the magnesium is constituent element present in the chlorophyll. We cannot synthesize chlorophyll molecule without magnesium. And if you see sulfur is present in biotin, sulfur is present in cysteine, methionine and biotin. And iron, this is present in cytochrome. Cytochrome is electron carrier of different kinds are there, like cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, cytochrome A3, present in metabolism. And manganese is present in splitting of water. If we see in non-cyclic electron transport, that is during light reaction of photosynthesis, we find that water molecule is splitted. In the presence of sunlight, water molecule is splitted into 2 electrons, 2 protons and half O2. So this splitting of water molecule takes place in the presence of water splitting complex, or it is also called as oxygen evolving complex. This water splitting complex contains 4 manganese, 1 calcium, 1 chlorine, oxygen, as well as an essential amino acid called as tyrosine. So this manganese is part and parcel of the water splitting complex, responsible for splitting of the water into electrons, protons and oxygen. So this is oxygen, where we find the byproduct of photosynthesis. So the question is like 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth option we can take it directly.